Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you have been following me for some time now, you will know I mentioned in my master bathroom makeover video I would be giving our guest bathroom here a refresh at some point. In that video, you all got to see the complete before and after, how we changed the countertops and flooring for both the master bathroom and here in the guest bathroom. Well, this is how my guest bathroom has been since then, and today it'll be getting a complete refresh for spring that will ensure to give you ideas and inspiration. I welcome everyone watching to catch all the details throughout and how you can use what you observe and take back to give your very own space a refresh. I'm so excited for y'all to see. Now let's get started. As I'm beginning to give our guest bathroom a refresh, I know it takes time and effort to try to figure out how to start and even where to find the best items to pull everything together sometimes. With that being said, I want to share with you all a more convenient and amazing way to help you with all of this and where I was able to get the items you will see as we go on. The Home Depot is today's sponsor and is here to help you pull your vision together just like it has for me. I have been completely blown away by what the Home Depot's online website offers for home decor, accessories, furniture, and so much more that you can't always find in stores. I wanted to update the mirror you just saw my husband remove and was able to search for so many options online. The wide assortment that the Home Depot offers across so many categories and styles allowed me to come across these beautiful and gold LED arched vanity mirrors. These completely ended up changing the entire appearance of this bathroom. They were surprisingly light and super easy to install. They feature a touch sensor function to adjust the brightness and even an anti-fog option to prevent fogging when showering. The modern style fit perfect for the theme I was looking to update. To further expand on decorative pieces and storage, I came across this gold metal floating shelf. What I really like about this piece is its capability to hold multiple items in storage with its 4-tier glass shelf system that sits within the beautifully scalloped metal frame. I can picture a piece like this not only being used for a bathroom, but would be a great addition to any living room, bedroom, bathroom, entryway, or dining room. This piece was perfect in elevating other decor pieces while also saving me space. To help me organize and utilize the floating shelf even further, you'll notice I had these natural marble canisters resting on the bottom of it. These are great to match traditional or contemporary home decor due to their elegant design and can be used for a variety of purposes. These are not only pieces that can help refresh a space, but are wonderful for holding essentials such as cotton swabs, Q-tips, or any other bathroom accessories that can easily fit inside. You could easily get any hand towel to fit a space, but the small details of each piece I decorate with help make all the difference. These hand towels I found online have a beautiful design and stylish appeal that I also wanted to add on to the floating shelf. For all my guests that visit and use this bathroom, I wanted to bring the same appeal and luxury with these larger towels and feature them organized and ready to use within these wicker storage baskets. Towels can be items that can often be overlooked, but these Turkish bath sheets feature a sculpted floral design that brings feature and dimension to any bath space. The natural brown scallop design offers a rustic appeal but yet complements many styles and themes. These are compact enough for storage on shelves and are even suitable for storing items such in a pantry. Whenever I'm adding finishing touches on a space, I always enjoy styling with plants and greenery. I went with this high cream calla lily and glass artificial arrangement that fit perfectly in this corner. Floral arrangements can help fill up rooms that don't have enough furniture, balance spaces, and create visual harmony simply by being green. Out of the items I have just featured, this is just a tiny glimpse of what the online selection of the Home Depot offers. They are the trusted brand for home improvement, and customers will get the same experience when they shop online furniture and decor to complete projects or furnish their home. What's not only amazing about all of these wonderful benefits and products available, it's also that the Home Depot currently has a Bring On Spring promotion. You can save up to 25% off so many beautiful items now through April 3rd and help your home get refreshed for the year. To take advantage of this promotion and just to see the unlimited possibilities of your next project, I will leave everyone the link in my description box for easy access. I know many of you will find even more beautiful items that were featured here. Thank you to the Home Depot for providing such an amazing selection and promotion for all of us. Now let's see how everything came together. I want to thank everyone who tuned in and watched today's video until the end. I want to also give a big shout out and thank you to all of my supporters who have been with me from the beginning on this journey throughout the years and those who just recently found me. I love to hear from all of you and thank you for so many uplifting and inspiring comments you all leave me. I hope you were able to gain ideas and inspiration from today's bathroom makeover refresh. Don't forget to check out the links in my description box that will take you directly to the Home Depot promotion for items I featured today. I look forward to hearing what you enjoyed most in today's video in the comments below. Until my next video, I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.